Hello my creative friends, welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I am doing a full review on these paint pens. They're from a company called Artistro. If you would have seen my recent videos, I have been using these pens on many different surfaces, which I will mention in the video. I am currently collaborating with the company. However, I will be as honest as I can. That means I won't just be saying the pros, but also I'll mention a few of the cons. If you decide to purchase these pens, you can use my code FATEMASARTSHOW and get a discount. Any money I make will be going back into my channel. So if you would like to support me and also own these pens, do use the code. Okay, so let's get straight to the review then. So first of all, you can see that when you purchase these pens, they come in a lovely little box, and I love how bold the packaging is. It's a very nice bold packaging, and that means that you can see the colors very clearly right there, and I love the variety of colors that are there. Usually sometimes you'll see some pens will have just a few colors and then you're missing quite a lot to complete your art piece, but these have quite a lovely range, and also the fact that it has metallic, so you can get the silver and the gold, is fantastic. You also get the color white, which I found was really handy when working on a dark surface. So at the front it says it's water-based and it's multi-surface, which is fantastic because you can use them on a variety of surfaces, as I've mentioned. On the front it mentions a few, which is glass, ceramic, porcelain, wood, canvas, metal, plastic, stone, paper and more. So it leaves a little bit for the imagination that you possibly can use it on a range of other surfaces that they have not listed, which is fantastic. Another big pro is that the paints are quick drying, and I have tried this myself and I was amazed, and I love the fact that they were quick drying and I apply them and I can just wait a little bit and possibly layer them with a different color. So I can apply a color and then layer it with another color straight after, and it will cover the first initial color, and that was amazing. So on the back you've got a few basic instructions on how to use the pens, and I would really recommend for you to read this. The first instruction is to shake the pen well, and this will avoid any ink splatter. Another thing it says is that the pens have a pump action. So this is a very important step to releasing the ink or the paint onto the surface. So you need to do the pump action on these pens. This could be a con if you are in a hurry and you just want to use the pens really quickly. This is not ideal, so I would say it would be for a piece that you have plenty of time and you've set that time aside to create the art piece. So the pump action allows the inks to come down onto the surface. Ideally you do this on a scrap piece of material, so if you're using wood, use it on the wood, or you could just pump it on a piece of paper and then apply it onto your piece. Never try to pump it on the piece, which I tried to do a few times, but I would say always do it on the scrap. Finally, test the ink on a piece of paper. The ink or the paint should apply very smoothly onto the surface, and this was my mistake. I did not pump it again and try it again. I would continuously use the pen and then realize, oh, it's not applying the paint smoothly, so I would have to reapply and sort of do the pump action again to get the paint out again. This is not ideal if you want to work continuously with the piece, so this could also be a con. But a big pro is that once the paint is applied onto the surface, it applies beautifully, smoothly, gives great coverage. So as I've mentioned, you can use these pens on a variety of surfaces, but what if you're creating a piece, for example, colouring in a mug that you want to place in the dishwasher? It says that it's not ideal for dishwashers, so it's not dishwasher safe. My quick pot is finished and I'm just going to test it now with a wet tissue. So this is a pro. If you've made a mistake and you just want to clean it quickly, you can with a tissue. You could just wipe it off. But it's also a con if you want to clean it. You cannot do that until you varnished it. Here it says, for glass and ceramic, apply on a clean surface, let it dry, place in a cool oven, heat to this temperature and bake for an hour. As you can see, I have used these pens on glass. I have also used these pens on some rocks I had in the garden, and I have also used these pens on wood, and all of them applied really well, and I really enjoyed using these pens. If you would like to purchase these pens, like I said, use the code FATEMASARTSHOW to get a discount. And thank you very much. I just wanted to give you this full review and I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye bye.